Welcome to Cooking with Juicy James.
You want to try something new? How about this quick and easy beef shawarma pita? One red onion, sliced up all the way. Got a big pinch of salt. The juice from 2 lemons, fresh squeezed. And then we're gonna stir it to combine. Cover it with saran wrap, and then put it in the microwave for 40 seconds and let it start to pickle. Zest of 1 lemon. Got 4 tablespoons of sour cream or Greek yogurt. We're gonna go ahead and salt and pepper it. Go pretty heavy with the salt. Decent amount of pepper. And we got the juice from 1 fresh lemon. All right, now we're gonna stir to combine and have our sauce. The red onions are out of the microwave. You wanna keep them covered and then let them cool off and just stir them every now and then while you're cooking the rest of the meal. We got the sauce down to a drizzling consistency, right where we want it. And now we're just gonna get started with meat.
You want to add a drizzle of oil to a large pan and heat over medium heat. Add 1 pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of shawarma seasoning. You want to add a large pinch of salt and a little pinch of pepper. Add 4 ounces of golden raisins. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And now you want to get a pita, warm it up so it's pliable, and cut it in half. And make sure that it is able to be stuffed. And then you're going to want to stuff that in layers with ground beef, pickled onions, your lemon crema, and a dash of hot sauce if you prefer. And then do another layer of that. And voila, beef shawarma pitas.